Today we're talking about our feedlot grade alleys. These alleys are perfectly suited for your larger operations where they have a stationary set of pens that they're always working their cattle out of. They're well suited for high volumes of cattle. They're great for your cow-calf operators, your stocker operators. This design we have been using on the feedlot construction side of our company for many years, and now we're bringing it to the end user. So we're making it available to all ranchers and end users out there that need something heavy duty and built to last. Let's take a closer look at this alley. So this setup is actually a double to single alley. So the cattle will enter the double part of it, and then there's a transition and then single alley ahead of it. As the cattle enter the double section of the alley, you notice that there was pipes on the sides. As they come through the transition and get into the single alley, we sheet metal the sides of it. This keeps cattle from sticking legs through the sides of the alley as they're moving forward. It also helps with narrowing their field of vision, and then it also keeps the cattle calmer because they can't see out, and so they're moving forward towards the chute. The adjustment on this alley is super easy and functional. It can be hydraulic, or this one is manually adjusted with this ratchet cylinder, so it narrows up for smaller cattle. All you have to do is come back here and ratchet it up, or if you have a hydraulic cylinder, then you press the lever and it moves in and out hydraulically. The no-backs on this alley are adjusted here on the side with this wheel. It's got a spring-loaded latch on the bottom so that it holds it steady whenever cattle are going through it. We also use a nylon strap rather than chain or any kind of metal pieces. It keeps it quiet. The no-back is also greasable at the top, so everything about this no-back is quiet to keep cattle flowing through safely, efficiently, and keeps them calm as they're going through it. These alleyways are offered in many different sizes and configurations. Our most common sizes are going to be your 30-foot, 8.5 inches, 36-foot, 8.5 inches, and 42-foot, 8.5 inches. These alleys are built to be commercial grade strength. They're built to withstand hundreds of head a day running through them. So in most operations, there'll be very minimal maintenance that you need to do. But a couple things to keep in mind would be check your grease certs, check your bearings, check all moving parts, make sure that they're loose and moving freely. Make sure that your no-back, the nylon straps aren't weathered or tearing. If they are, be sure and give us a call and we can get you any replacement parts or fittings that you might need for these.